I'm responding to your comment here. And the first thing I'm going to say is, nope, I'm not driving. I'm the passenger in the car. And the reason I'm not filming myself is it's too dark, so I thought I would just film the highway. All right, so let's get on with your comment here. So the first thing you say is that I am narcissistic. So a narcissistic person is somebody who only thinks about themselves. What I am telling you repeatedly is to not pay attention to me, but to pay attention to the documentaries I keep telling you to watch. So a narcissist would say, look at me, only look at me. Don't bother to look at the truth or the documentaries, which is probably what you're doing. A narcissistic person would not care about the animals, the innocent animals that you pay people to hurt. A narcissist is somebody who only cares about themselves and not about the victims. Now, I'm here repeatedly telling you to stop hurting pigs, to stop paying people to put them in gas chambers. I'm asking you to stop paying people to cut the necks off of chickens and to not slice baby lambs in half. I'm also asking you not to pay somebody to kidnap baby cows away from their mothers, which is what happens in the dairy industry. Every time you drink milk, you're paying somebody to kill a baby boy cow so that you can steal the milk, because the baby boy cows are considered to be useless in the industry because they'll never be able to give milk. You're also saying that I am a cult leader. Now, a cult leader is somebody who just doesn't believe in science or logic or critical thinking. Somebody who's sort of religious. But I'm not religious at all. I'm simply telling you to stop hurting animals, or at least to educate yourself so you can make an informed decision going forward. The most important thing is that you have an open mind and an open heart, and that you're not afraid to learn the truth. So how do you learn the truth? By being brave enough to watch the documentaries. So memorize these. One is called Earthlings. That's what I saw a long time ago and it made me cry. Earthlings. Just go to earthlings.com and go and watch the truth. After you know where all your money goes to, if you have a heart, you too will seriously consider becoming vegan. And how do you do that? Well, you go to websites like howdoigovegan.com. It's pretty easy. And you Google vegan recipes. That's pretty easy too. And if you want to really understand how to be healthy, Google vegan athletes. You'll see how strong they are. So instead of making excuses and taking out your anger and frustration on the animals, how about you just be mad at me? Okay? Be really mad at me. But leave the animals the fuck alone. Stop picking on them. They're innocent.